Hello, it is me Was, and I am doing the cat room. My room even has cute phones and cat clothes. As you can see, I have red, purple, and pink cat themes. Here is my fluffy kitty eating treats. What should I name her? Here is Bingus the bald cat.
Hello, it is Nikia. I am making a dog theme room. As you can see, it's very fancy and comes with expensive brands. I have a bath area and a closet. Comment what I should name my puppies.
Look at how fun this tube is for Bingus. I'm trying to wash Bingus, but it's not working.
This bag comes with so many fun treats. My puppy can also ring a bell for treats.
Let's see what is in this bag. Wow, craft supplies.
Look at my dog barking when I blow the whistle.
Let's make crafts for the cats. Comment what is your favorite type of craft. Mine is making bracelets.
Let's see what doggy crafts I can make. Look at all these cute clothes.
Since Nikia is already wearing hers, I'm gonna wear my favorite, cat fit. It looks like Nikia is trying on clothes and feeding her pets.
I'm gonna wash my pets. Okay, I'm gonna come and visit you.
Hi Nikia, come and take a seat.
This room is so amazing.
Thanks Nikia. Hey viewers, vote for me in the comments. Let's go over to your dog room. It's so nice and fancy. The dogs are the cutest things ever, apart from Juiced. Just kidding. The fits are adorable. Say cat, with a cat emoji in the comments if you vote for me.
Say dog with a dog emoji if you vote for me. Bye bears, hope to see you soon. Haha, what are we even doing?
While Nikia plays with my cat, what would you name all the pets, apart from Bingus? And comment if you saw the hidden juice.